Hello YouTube, back at it again. Here the cooling hose. And we're at the garage. With me, you guys and girls. Boys and girls. Un momento por favor. Yeah, I'm back at it. Reverse. Cooling oil, cooling hose from the transmission fluid. Let's get cooled, and then I got some leakage there, so, and it drips all over the place. I will show you guys when it's up in the air. Ja, deze hoor. This is the new one. One leaky oil business. This should do the trick. All over the place. Die maar draaien willen, die maar draaien. If that one wants to turn, the most problematic one. Reducing the risk of damage it because it's in plastic. Dangerous. Taking the tension of the bolt. Open it, wanna open. No. Heel het goedje. Ja. Dat zat in plastic die dan slaat ik er nergens op.
Ja, plastic, maar hebben we hier gewoon.
It's a tough job, maar my mechanic did it. Beetje rest oil. Looks better now. Well, it's new. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.